Stuck at the Wise login screen? Let's get you in fast. Watch this quick guide to log in without hassle. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type. Just 2 simple steps and you're in. So let's start by getting you to the right place. The biggest hurdle most people face isn't actually the login itself. It's landing on the wrong page or a fake lookalike site. So here's what I always do. I open up a fresh browser tab and I go straight to the official Wise login page.
I've got the direct link right here in the description below, so you can click that and follow along. It saves you the guesswork and keeps you safe from those phishing sites that try to steal your info. Once you click that link, the page loads pretty quickly. You'll see the familiar Wise logo at the top, and right below it, the login area. This is the real deal. You're in the right spot. Now, here's the really important part. Look for the 2 empty fields on the screen. The first one asks for your email address. The second one is for your password. So go ahead and type in the email address that you used when you signed up for Wise. Not a different one, not a work email if you used your personal one, the exact same one you registered with. Click into that first box and type it in carefully. Then tab down or click into the password field. Now, when you're typing your password, you won't be able to see the characters. They'll show up as dots or asterisks. That's completely normal. It's just protecting you from anyone looking over your shoulder. Once you've got both your email and your password entered, and you've double-checked that they're spelled right, go ahead and click the blue button that says Continue or Log In. This might take a moment to process. Wise is verifying your credentials against their system. And that's it. Give it just a second and you'll be taken straight to your account home dashboard. You'll see your balance, your recent transactions, and all your account info right there. You're in. And that's really all there is to it. From being stuck on that login screen to having full access to your Wise account. If you ever run into trouble again, just come back to this video and follow these 2 steps. Logging in is that simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.